What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have a package here to unbox. We got the Blue Alien on deck. The Bugs 5W, and this came to us from Amazon seller Fancy US or Fancy Us. So let's open this guy up, check it out. So here's the quad here. We have a screwdriver and a tool for the motors to grip the motors and all. We have these little washers for the props, I think. We have the battery in here. 1800 milliamp hour 25C LiPo battery, 7.4 volts. We have a camera on here. Let's move this out the way. We have a set of spare props, a holder for your cell phone. We have a balance charger here with a USB cable there. And this is the final thing, not sure what this is. Okay, so this is a balance adapter for this battery. So the proprietary battery goes in here like so. And then that allows you to plug it to your balance charger, 2S balance charger. And it looks like they gave us 2 batteries. So we have 2 batteries that come with this. And there's a locking mechanism here on the battery, built into the battery to lock the battery in, so you won't have to worry about losing batteries. Let's see, take this off of here. And so that's it right there. The Bugs 5W. Have something on here. See what that said. They're asking us to adjust this camera lens angle only by the transmitter. So the transmitter controls this lens here. The documentation is in this package here. So we have some Bugs stickers in here. And this is telling us what the controls are. Pause it, read it for yourselves. Let's toss that back there. We have an instructions manual, a user's manual here. So this works with 5G Wi-Fi, it looks like. Let's see, what's this here? Okay, this is a quick start guide there in several different languages. And this is the user's manual here. Looks like it's in detailed English. So really nice color illustrated instructions manual. Everything is packaged up. So let's get the transmitter out. This is the transmitter here. Let's see, it takes 4 AA batteries. Altitude hold is present. Sticks feel typical MJX. Oh, and this roller here actually does move. I'm not sure if it works. Would be awesome if this works for the camera. I'm expecting it to actually. We have these same antennas from the Bugs 3 Mini. So let's put everything on the side over here and let's look at the drone. So pretty nice. Looks like it has LEDs on the bottom here. Let's check the LEDs out. So check it out. The lights look like they're all one color. They're yellow. So not sure what to think of that as of yet. We have to add some batteries in the transmitter to tell. Maybe these lights here change colors or something. Looking forward to checking this one out. It's the Bugs 5W. Thanks for watching.